Hi, this is Lee with learningwithlee.com. We are going to do a little bit with backgrounds today. I just have a blank page to show you clearly so it doesn't look too whacked out on my page. And then you can play around with it. So I'm going to just add my style right onto my page for this. Just use this, well, you look at it, you can see what it is, a style tag. Make sure you close it, and it's inside my head. If you're just doing one little thing, instead of making a file, you could do this. A file is a good idea, but if you're really just doing one little thing, or a couple things, if you're doing one thing, you could really do an inline thing here. Okay, but I'm going to write it at the top. Okay, I'll stop talking. Background image. No, that's not what I do. Ugh, not thinking straight. Okay, so we have to put it on something, right? So let's put it on the body. Background image. Now look at these things. Background color, background position, background repeat, background image size. Okay, I don't even know what clip and origin are. Things for you to explore. So background image, and then I'm going to do URL. And inside here, you put your image name. So this would mean look in the same folder. This would be like get out of the CSS folder and look in the images folder, and then your picture name. So I just have mine here, I think. Tree, what did I call it? Cherry trees. I don't know. I gotta make sure I have the right picture. JPG. Okay, so save. Cherry trees. I called that different. Cherry trees. Okay, that's right. I think. Let's try. Ta-da! And I have a picture. Oh, it's right there at the bottom of my screen. Okay, it's a pretty background, right? Little Mother's Day poem here. So as you saw, there's different things in there. You could do, we could give it a size, right? Cover would be a traditional one. This picture already covers the page, but if you wanted to cover the whole background, you could use cover. If your picture's too small, that'll look stretched out, so that's kind of weird. So when it is like that, it will repeat. So background, no repeat would be traditional, but maybe you want it to repeat over and over throughout the page, like a checkerboard kind of thing, little boxes around the page. But let me show you a different. We used background color to create the buttons. But there's another kind of background color thing you can do. Linear gradient. How do we do this? Let's see. Red and yellow, orange, green, blue, purple. There, let's me doing the rainbow. All right, so let's see if that works. Let's take off our background. That didn't work. Just a moment, because I forgot to tell it where to apply it. Background goes like this. All right. See, I was all like gray before. That was a clue something was wrong. All right, let's see if this works now. Nope, still not working. Ha, today you get to learn from seeing all my mistakes. See, you're gonna make mistakes all the time. So you just keep fixing them, right? Coding is problem solving. You need a comma between there. All right. Lovely, isn't it? All right, so this is going through all those colors, but that's not what we want it to look like. Let's try it this way. Too bright. This time I'm actually going to put a space between the words. Okay, there's my rainbow. So one other thing, let me think of background. Background image before I get off. Background image. What didn't we do here? Position. We didn't do position. So you could center your image this way by putting center, or left, right, top. You could even do left, top. You could even write something like that to put the image at the top left. Mine fill the whole page. It's a big picture. So that's not so useful for me, but just so you know, something else that you can use. Normally center is probably the most common thing you'd want to use. Okay, something to play around with. And I will see you next lesson.